Hi. So today we're visiting one of our recent projects that we finished a couple of months ago. This is Paul's kitchen. I wanted to start from the fridges, and this is the first kitchen where there was a big debate regarding the space of the kitchen and the size of the fridge. So this is not a big kitchen considered. It's a medium sized. It's not very wide. So when the customers came to me and said, Oleg, we would like a 30-inch fridge, I was really debating that. And I said, you know what, for the size of the kitchen, I think it's a little bit overwhelming. However, the customer is the boss, and I do listen, and I said, that's fine, I will work out a design and make sure it works. This space was totally different, and we will show you in the video part of the slide how this looked before. It was a very small kitchen with a tiny fridge, and it was a bit of a challenge to put a 60-inch fridge in such a small space, but as you see, we did it. It does fit, it does look very nice, and it functions. The family really enjoys it and they love it. So on top of the fridge we have a lot of tray dividers. Paul is a professional cook. The whole family cooks. Everybody's in the kitchen. Always stuff is being used. It's not a show kitchen. It's a working kitchen. And just to show you how many trays, what are tray dividers, and it is fully loaded, as you say. So we have trays in here. We have trays in here. So lots of everything is nicely organized and done. At the end, we have the pantry storage with some more cutlery for your dining room, nice dovetail drawers, cutlery dividers. Everything is all set up and functioning well. Then they do a lot of baking, and the appliance mixers, one of the things is very heavy and not comfortable. And a lot of times it's in the basement, and it's not a fun thing to bring up and down. So we found a spot, we had a little space, and again, this was all working with the design. It's right here. It just lifts up, and we have to move all the stuff on the bottom. Lifts up, you plug it in and you use it. The next mechanism we have is a Le Mans, and again, this one, they have it. You can store anything you want. It just tucks away. It brings all the stuff from behind, so you don't have to bend and dive, inside your blind cabinet. And very convenient, very popular. The next one is a nice double bin garbage. So you have, for recycling, and then there's another garbage under the sink. Lots of upper storage. We framed the window nicely, no casing, again, to maximize the cabinets. The stove area was very important for Paul. It had to have enough clearance. We went minimum on the space, again, to leave as big of a peninsula as possible. Right side of the stove we have oil and spices. Well, in this case it's all oils. So again, based on the customer feedback, everything is right, left. It could be all placed according to your design. Then we have some more spices on the top. That's why there's more oils on the bottom, and this is our smaller things. One here on the left, one on the right. The idea here is, again, to frame this area, to bring it out, to make it interesting, and to kind of bring the attention to this area. And here we have a spatula. Again, as the kitchen before, very popular, very convenient. It's just right here. Very nice, soft closing. More trays, lots of baking, cooking, and more drawers. So again, everything is nicely fitted, and everything is functionally working. Really like the backsplash. It was something that we went to a couple of different locations on this project. Again, it was part of we did a full renovation. This was an old kitchen. Everything was a tear down. We added pot lights. We changed the window. We did the tiles. We did the bathroom as well. So everything was new, freshly painted. We picked the colors together. Also very nice detailing on the crown molding. Everything is kind of 45, clean looking, easy to clean, no as minimum dust collectors kind of thing. Nice powerful stove with the hood. Everything is working great. The family has been using this kitchen for a couple of months, and The place I'm gonna end is the Peninsula. This was something that came in the process as I was talking to the family. They have the 2 little kids growing up, and kitchen is something that you communicate, you connect, and everybody is here. So that's something they were lacking. They had a table in the corner, so it wasn't functional. They did Peninsula, but it was sticking out this way. It wasn't just working well. So this was something that, again, came in the process, and I just said, you know what, it would be nice to have it. You can use it from your stove, you can use it for sitting. The kids could be studying here or just communicating while somebody, as you see, they have the cutting board, Paul is prepping, and the family could be sitting, enjoying their coffee or wine, and having a nice having a nice talk. And then we have another set of drawers. This is for deep drawers. They're 15 inches deep for pots and trays. And the last thing is another blind cabinet, which in most kitchens is a waste of space and something that you don't want to get into. But here it's full of pots and pans. So it does work nice and smooth. It does take a lot of stuff. This one. Some. And there you go. So, and that's it. So this is today's Paul's Kitchen. Thank you.